first drop on the window, found you staring at the stove, mug half cold in your hands, old ghost in your throat. You trace rings in the steam, little planets on the glass. Every year you swore you'd leave keeps circling back. Rain on a cedar roof plays your heart in slow motion. Every crack in the cabin filling up with ocean. You breathe in the timber, let the old floor sing. Every ache you remember turning into spring. Books stacked on the table, spine soft from being held, blank page, broken pencil, things you never tell. Open up the window, let the damp air find your face. All the hurt you carried here softens in this place. Rain on a cedar roof plays your heart in slow motion. Every crack in the cabin filling up with ocean. You breathe in the timber, let the old floor sing. Every ache you remember turning into spring. On a cedar roof plays your heart in slow motion. Every scar in the silence learning a new